Today we're doing something really fun with the laser engraver. Here's a door. It has a large crack. It's really hideous and we're going to fix it right now. Let's go to the laser engraver and cut out a skyline. This is a classic Philadelphia skyline. There you go. Pretty good, right? Once I cut it out, I glue it using wood glue. Since I don't have anything to clamp it with, I'm just using weights to press it against the door. And here's the result. After the glue has dried for maybe about 5 hours, it dries up pretty fast, like 1 hour, but I'm using 5 hours to be extra sure. What do you think? Pretty good, right? Should I paint it or just leave it as is? I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.